जहां न पहुंचे नजर वहां की है हमें खबर। अब देश विदेश की खबरों से रहिए ना बेखबर। अब आपकी आवाज पहुंचेगी आला अधिकारियों तक। हर क्राइम पर होगी हमारी
मजिस्ट्रेट जांच के आदेश दिए हैं। जांच की रिपोर्ट सरकार को आने दीजिए और अगर कोई चूक हुई है तो जो भी जिम्मेदार पाया जाएगा उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी। हमने आरसीबी या केसीए से अनुरोध नहीं किया, उन्होंने इसका आयोजन विजय उत्सव किया। वे ही टीम को बेंगलुरु लेकर आए थे। सरकार को भी लगा कि उन्हें सुविधा देनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये बेंगलुरु की टीम थी। मुझे बहुत दुख है कि ये घटना हुई।
Chief Minister has already made a statement. He has already addressed the media also, and he has ordered a magisterial inquiry by a Deputy Commissioner Urban, Bangalore, and till a report comes from the inquiry, we will not be able to say anything. Compensations also have been announced. 10 lakh rupee compensation we have announced, and KSCA has also announced 5 lakhs rupees compensation. And this process, in fact, it is on, and I am going to visit this spot just about 11 o'clock, and I'll discuss with the RCB people, I'll discuss with the KSCA people, office bearers, and their point of view also we will discuss and see.
So you've said you'll take strict action, sir, but who's going to be responsible for these 11 lives? Could this not have been better planned? A lot of questions are rising, sir.
No, there are a lot of questions raised. As I said, let the inquiry report come to government, and if there are any lapses, definitely they will point out the lapses, right? And whoever is responsible for those lapses, definitely we will initiate action.
But what was the hurry, sir, is the question that's...
No, it is not us. It is not. We didn't make a request to the RCB or the KSCA. They organized this.
Yes, sir.
The part of it was government also felt that we also should facilitate. That's all. After all, it is Bangalore, Bangalore team. The government also felt that let us be part of that celebration. That's all. Beyond that, we didn't ask, we are going to do it. RCB and KSCA, they are the ones who brought the team to Bangalore for celebrations.
Sir, now was there also, sir, some instructions that had come in from the police, sir, against doing this? Because the previous night also you mentioned that the celebrations had gone on till almost 5 in the morning.
We will see all those things will be, inquired by the magisterial inquiry team. Once that report comes, then all these things will be answered.
Sir, my last question to you, you mentioned earlier as well, sir, that nothing untoward happened outside the Vidhan Saudha, sir. So while of course there are a lot of questions being raised about how there was photo ops that was happening inside Vidhan Saudha, the common man was left to fend for themselves outside Chinnaswamy Stadium.
No, I just said only at the Vidhana Saudha nothing happened, fortunately, and it is unfortunate, this incident has happened. I feel very sorry for it. 11 innocent lives have been lost. I pray the Almighty to give strength, to the families. Government also is with them. We have given a compensation. Of course, compensation is not a an answer. But then again, we have to, as government, we have to do that.
Had such crowds not been anticipated, sir? You said nearly 9 lakh, 8.7 lakh people is what travelled back.
Yeah, that is what Metro has made an announcement. Metro has made an announcement that between 9 and 11. There were about 8.7 lakh people have travelled. So